Alright, I'm going to do a cold start for you. It hasn't been running since yesterday. It's been cold all night long. It's 35 degrees right now. As you can see, there's plenty of ice on the windshield. I just installed last night a brand new Interstate Group 49 battery, and I started the car up once or twice since I did that, and it turns over so much faster than it did before. I'm going to see how well it turns over today in the cold I'm going to try to do just one cycle of the glow plugs. Beautiful. It does not get any better than that. Check the smoke. I don't see much smoke, but I know the thing needs injectors. Alright, well, thanks for watching.